What a contraption.
Yes, this contraption was brought to you by the same people who made the bottomless boat and the square tire.
Yes, indeed. It's almost ingenious.
Yes, well, I always say that the key to success is to dazzle them with... I think you know the rest of the expression.
I certainly do.
Should we hang this up?
Okay. This should be some shindig, huh?
It looks that way, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, I'll sure hand it to your boss. It's pretty incredible. Who else but Frank Smith could get a city use permit the day before he wants to have a party in the park?
Right. I guess that's clout. You know, what rank has and privilege and all that.
Yeah, well, don't ask me. I'm on the outside looking in. Is that what you'd like to have someday, Luke? Clout?
Clout. Well, I wouldn't turn it down if it was offered.
Yeah, but that's not the same thing as actively pursuing it.
Well, I'll tell you, Joe, I've always felt that I'm going to get whatever I'm meant to have in life. You know? Whatever I deserve, I'm going to get. And whether that includes clout, I guess that's up to the gods.
Kind of a fatalist, huh?
I like to think of myself as a realistic optimist.
I guess that's not such a bad way to be.
I'm not so sure. Check me in about 20 years. I'll tell you once I get the bugs worked out of it. What's this, orphan in the park?
The rest of the gang went to get some pizza.
How come you didn't go with them?
I didn't feel like it. I decided just to wait here. Besides, you know, they're going to have to wait until the park lights come on before they can finish putting up the decorations.
Oh, yeah. Listen, do you mind if I sit down with you for a minute?
No.
You cold?
No.
I'll give you my jacket if you are.
I'm not cold.
Okay. Okay, don't bite my head off. No, I'm worried about you.
Why?
Because you're sitting all alone here in the park, staring off like a space cadet. Why don't you tell me what's wrong?
Because you'd think I'm crazy.
What difference does that make? What difference does it make what I think? Why don't you just tell me?
It's about Bill Watson.
Yeah?
I can't get the picture of him lying there with a broken neck out of my mind. It just horrifies me.
I thought you couldn't stand him.
I couldn't. I couldn't stand the way he looked at me, and then the few times he tried to make a pass at me, it just made my skin crawl.
We'll try to forget it.
But whatever he was also a human being. Now he's dead.
Yeah. A lot of human beings are dead these days, it seems. Death's all around us. You can't really let it put you into a spin because it's always there. You'll never come out of that spin if you do.
That's not all of it, Luke. There's more.
What else?
I've been having this dream, and it's haunting me.
What is it?
Watson is lying dead in the water, and all these people are reaching down, and when they finally get a hold of him and they turn the body over, it's your face that I saw.
Do I look like you?
Oh, we should be so lucky. Let me see. Put on your goggles. Think tall.
Hey, Luke! Hey, Joe, will you get back there where you belong? Well, are you sure you don't need me back here to help?
I don't need any help. I don't want any help. Just get the hell out of here.
Hey, Joe, there you are. I've been looking all over for you. I need you.
Hi, Ruby.
Hi, I need you to help me to serve watermelon and pie.
What?
Oh, it's the big special treat the hospital is getting the firework spectators of the watermelon and pie, so I need you to help me.
Yeah, well, I'd really rather be here to help Luke in case he needs me.
Well, you heard the man. He doesn't need you. Besides, I need somebody terrifically charming to help me serve the watermelon and pie. And that's you. Come on.
Look, Ruby.
I never give up.
You pulled my arm right out of its socket.
Well, there's a magic word.
Yes?
You got it terrific. Off we go. Remember, this is all for charity. Come on.
Oh, boy. Okay. Here goes everything.
In 10 Minuten muss ich hier raus sein.
Bobbie, Ruby, I'm sorry.
Come on, Luke.
Shark case success.
We made it.
Take off, darling.
Okay.
Happy 4th of July! Good night! Good night! Dessert? Joe Kelly, where you been?
What?
I thought you were going to help me tonight. Where you been? Oh! These are photographs of every page of his so-called little black book. This is our insurance policy. As long as I have these, no matter what happens to me, they'll never touch the two of you.
This stuff doesn't make any sense to me.
It's in code, Barbara.
Oh, isn't that great? You know, that's a really terrific insurance policy. You got something that you can't even understand. You risk your neck for a lot of nothing if you ask me.
Barbara Jean, I didn't go through all the trouble and planning and danger last night to steal this protection for you, to have you put me down for it.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put you down, Lou, but what good are all these pictures going to do if you can't figure out what they mean?
Honey, I know what she means. It says here the left-handed boy, and then there's some figures and a change of date.
Yeah, what is all this? 150 miles to where? Who's the left-handed boy?
Never mind. I know what that refers to. The shipment coming up from South America.
But all the rest, Lou, how are you going to hold anything over Frank Smith's head if you don't know what you're talking about?
Listen, the important thing is that I have copies of these, and I have the negatives, and I'm going to break this code. Now, if our backs come up against the wall, I'll even have the police do it for me.
You go to the police, you're crazy.
I'd only do that to save our necks, Ruby, but I would do it. Now, the first thing I do is I show Smith these photographs.
Oh, you're out of your mind.
No, I'm not out of my mind. The morning of the wedding, I'm going to confront him with these. This is the only guarantee I've got that he can protect us. Because I don't trust him. Whatever contract he's going to give me that morning is not going to be enough protection.
Luke, if you lean on that man, he's going to kill you.
I don't think so, Ruby. You see, I got an ace in the hole. Jennifer loves me. She wants to marry me, and Smith wants her to have anything that she wants. He's not going to let her marry a dead man.
Maybe he'll just call the whole deal off when you show him the evidence you've got.
Wouldn't that be nice? No, I don't think so. No, he's determined that I'm going to marry Jennifer, and I'm just as determined that I'm going to stay on the legal side of the street. These pictures are my guarantee.
But, honey, to say the very least, he's going to be seriously angry.
Listen, I don't care. You let him be angry. I am not going to spend my life in the drug racket. I'm not going to sell coke and smack the rest of my life. I can't handle that idea.
Hey, listen, you are beautiful. If it's possible, maybe I love you even a little more.
Thank you.
Luke, we're scared. Don't go getting yourself hurt on account of us, okay?
Listen, there is nothing in the world I wouldn't do for you two. If that means getting hurt, let it be that.
Then you tear those things up if they're going to hurt you.
No, Ruby, I can't do it. This is my guarantee, and it's going to work. The man has let me stay on the clean side so far, and these are going to guarantee that I stay clean the rest of the ride. Okay?
Just make sure the contract that you get from Smith isn't a contract on your life.
Yeah, what is it now?
Luke?
Laura? Oh, I'm sorry. Bobbie called me a few minutes ago. I thought maybe it was her calling me back. I'm sorry if I yelled at you.
It's all right. I just wanted to say hello. And to wish you luck.
Thank you.
I guess that's all I had to say.
Hang up, okay, please? Please, don't hang up.
I'm not. I wasn't going to.
It's real nice to hear your voice this early in the morning.
Yours, too. You sound, all sleepy, warm. I woke you up, didn't I?
Oh, no, I've been up for hours. No, I haven't been up for hours. I just couldn't go back to sleep. Besides, I better get up. You know, it's a big day. I got a lot of...
Well, you know, I really do wish you luck. But that isn't the only reason I called you.
Oh?
I read your Christmas letter to me again last night.
I see.
I tried to write you the same kind of letter, cutting off all the ties between us. I'd like you to read it before the ceremony. Maybe it'll help end our strange relationship. At least that's what I'm hoping.
Okay. But it won't do any good. I will always be in love with you, Laura.